Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So I'm back out here with my SIG. I call this the SIG. The SG F22 pine cone model. This thing, I already let you guys know in the previous video that this is my favorite microplane, and this thing just has been awesome for me. I did break this thing, y'all. A couple things happened to this thing since last y'all saw it. I had to repair one of these servos. Well, I actually swapped out the servo because one of the servos died on me, and I lost the battery bay, y'all. I was out at the field and I lost the battery bay, never found it, so I had to rig up this thing right here. This is a little piece of a credit card with dual lock on the ends, you know, secured to the body of the plane, and just forming a little locking mechanism right here for the battery to be held in. And so the latest thing that happened to this thing, though, I got a weak motor. I broke one of the motors, I think from crashing. So one of the motors was about to go. It was a lot weaker than the other side, so I couldn't do any vertical mode or anything like that, and it was really hard to fly. Couldn't really turn that well with that one prop messing up, well, that one motor. But I don't know if you guys noticed, now it has smaller props on it now, and that's because I had to swap out the motors. I swapped the motors. I found out that the motors are plug and play, so that's a good thing. I really like that they're plug and play. Makes it really easy to swap these motors out for whatever motor you can fit in here. I was unable to find any of the 8623s that go in this thing, but I did put some 8520s in here, and these are Spintech motors, so they're pretty good. High KV on it and all, but the only problem that I had with it is I was unable to fit the stock props on here, because the posts on these 8520 motors are thinner than the posts on the 8623s, so couldn't really get those props on there. I guess I'm gonna figure out some kind of solution to get some bigger props on here. But as for now, this thing flies pretty nice with these props on it. It doesn't do vertical mode, not enough power for that. But as for my turning problems and stuff, this thing turns really well with these props. It flies pretty fast. It might even fly faster with these props, I'm not sure, but it doesn't have enough torque to pull this thing up in vertical mode. It can go in vertical mode, but it'll start descending, and it takes all full throttle to even do that. So I probably won't be showing you guys any demonstration of any attempts of vertical mode, but I will be showing you guys that this thing flies really nice now. Really liking the way it flies. I'm thinking about keeping these motors on it. Really not too crazy about the vertical mode and all. Vertical mode is a nice little I guess it's a little way to show off or something or whatever, you know. But as far as flying, these props right here do just fine. Flies it really fast. I can slow it down. You can do all the things that you do with the stock motors, just about. Let's get this thing in the air so I can show y'all how it flies. We're flying it with the jumper as well. Let's get it. Kinda windy out here. Not too bad though. Just an awesome flyer though. windy around that corner, I can tell. Turning back around. Yeah, the wind's blowing, man. Pretty fast. One thing I can say about this thing over the Park 10 is that this is a really fast plane. A lot faster plane than the Park 10. Sun's killing me over there. Sheesh, and it turns on the dime. Y'all saw that? Was heading right for that pole and turned on a dime. Let's see if we can bring it down. Oh man, sheesh, I was coming in too hot for that. And the wind's bouncing it around like crazy. See if we can get that landing I was trying to get on the way back, I guess. You can slow this thing down. Ah, still a bad landing. Motors on here, not bad at all, y'all. The SG F22, still my favorite. Thanks for watching.